In this video, we will analyze the UXLink coin, which has risen very recently. There is an upward trend in UXLink coin. It should not break it. There's a bull order block here, one of the places where there could be a reaction. There's a big bear order block at the top of the price. It must break it if it wants to make a new high. When we look at it as an Elliott wave, the last time it made the third peak and went down to the fourth bottom. In order to go to the fifth peak, the fourth bottom should not even wick to the first peak. When we look at the RSI indicator, it has turned from resistance, and there is support at the bottom, which is where it turns the most. When we look at the 200 EMA, it is very low. When the 200 EMA goes up, the price can get support from the EMA. And this candle shows the discussion between the buyer and the seller. There were some people picking up when the price dropped. This candle could reverse the trend. Yes, friends, I hope you liked the video. If you subscribe and like the video, more videos will come. Good earnings to everyone.